The six words method is a compelling tool that harnesses the power of brevity to communicate complex ideas in simple, memorable ways. Inspired by Ernest Hemingway's famous six-word story, "For sale, baby shoes, never worn," this technique demonstrates how profound messages can be distilled into just a few words. As a strategic thinking tool, the six words method pushes individuals and teams to refine their thoughts, stripping away unnecessary language to focus on the essence of an idea. By crafting concise, impactful statements or bumper stickers, this approach fosters clarity, creativity, and effective communication. On screen is a copy of the AI powered strategic thinker, 3 Kindle edition, so we can copy the prompt into ChatGPT. On the right is AI powered strategic thinker GPT, which is optimized for this tool and others in the book. You will want to start with the first prompt and provide context for your organization in the brackets. It may also be beneficial to upload documents related to your work. Prompt: act as the staff to your organization name. Your job is to synthesize the following context to assist in performing the 6 empathetic questions. Context is in brackets. If you understand your task, your only response is 3 dots. For this purpose, I've prepared a prompt that will make up an organization, but search the web for a real world problem we can look at in this example. The prompt states, I need a hypothetical company from the real estate industry. Search the web and find a real world problem the industry has not been able to solve. Provide an overview of the problem and wait for the next step. After the initial prompt, there are 2 additional prompts executed in this video. They are: 1, ask a priming question to encourage critical thinking and idea generation. 2, write down 10 ideas in 6 words or less. Now we will go ahead and show you an example in action.
Hypothetical company Urban Realty Solutions. Overview. Urban Realty Solutions is a forward-thinking real estate firm specializing in urban residential and commercial properties. The company prides itself on leveraging technology and data analytics to enhance property transactions and management. Industry challenge: lack of transparency in real estate transactions. Overview. The real estate industry has long grappled with issues of transparency, particularly concerning the disclosure of property information, transaction histories, and agent commissions. This opacity can lead to mistrust among buyers and sellers, inflated property prices, and potential legal disputes. Key issues. 1, opaque commission structures. Traditional practices often involve sellers paying commissions to both their own and the buyer's agents, leading to non-negotiable and sometimes inflated fees. This structure has been criticized for discouraging competition and maintaining high transaction costs. Cite Turn News 21-2. Inadequate disclosure of property information. Buyers frequently encounter challenges in accessing comprehensive property details, including previous transaction histories, structural issues, and legal encumbrances. This lack of information can result in uninformed purchasing decisions and subsequent disputes. Limited access to market data. The absence of centralized and accessible market data hinders stakeholders from making informed decisions, affecting pricing strategies and investment choices. Impact on the industry. The persistence of these transparency issues undermines consumer trust, impedes market efficiency, and can lead to legal challenges. Addressing these concerns is crucial for fostering a more equitable and efficient real estate market. Note: this problem has been highlighted in various industry analyses, including reports by the Counselors of Real Estate, which identify transparency as a significant issue affecting the real estate sector. Cite Turn Search. What innovative strategies or technologies could a real estate firm like Urban Realty Solutions implement to enhance transparency in property transactions, ensuring trust and fairness for all stakeholders while maintaining profitability? 1. Blockchain-based transparent property transaction records. 2. AI-powered property valuation and history tool. 3. Open-source real estate data platform. 4. Smart contracts for commission fee transparency. 5. Centralized dashboard for property legal checks. 6. Crowdsourced property issue reporting system. 7. Digital escrow for secure fund management. 8. Interactive buyer-seller transparency negotiation app. 9. Real-time property inspection live stream services. 10. Subscription-based detailed market analysis reports.
And that's the 6 words method. Proof that sometimes less is more. By distilling complex ideas into 6 powerful words, this tool helps teams communicate with clarity, creativity, and precision. When paired with ChatGPT, the possibilities expand even further. AI can refine phrasing, suggest impactful combinations, and ensure your ideas resonate clearly. For more tools and strategies like this, check out the AI-powered strategic thinker. 3.6 words can shape a strategy.